B1. Okay, not so bad actually. The first part is find the inverse of A. So the inverse of A, it's 1 over determinant, that's minus 21 plus 26, and we do our swap and we change the sign. Minus 7 up, 3 down, minus 13, 2, okay. That is minus 21. Yep, that looks okay. So that would be no, not minus, 1 over 5 times that matrix. Yeah, okay, that's it, isn't it? Yeah. Minus 7, 3, 13, minus 2, minus 21 plus 26. You don't have to put the fraction in, so you can leave it like that. That's the answer. Yep. No, full marks. Yeah. Part 2 is to use this answer to solve that equation. So you see that xy would equal this inverse times 11, 4. So we get 1 over 5 minus 77 plus 52, I think, minus 22 plus 12. So that is minus 5, and then minus 22 plus 12 is minus 10 divided by the 5, yeah, minus 2. So that's that answer. X equals minus 5, y equals minus 2. So that's part A of B1 done. Okay, now time for part B. So part B is they tell you that x minus 3 and x minus 4 are factors of x cubed minus px squared minus 2x plus q. So if they're factors, we know that the remainder is 0, and from the remainder theorem, we know that if we put x equals 3 and x equals 4 into this, you should get out 0, because they're factors, there's no remainder. So that means that 3 cubed minus p times 3 squared minus 2 times 3 plus q should equal 0, and 4 cubed minus p times 4 squared minus 2 times 4 plus q should equal 0. So we'll clean those up. We get minus 9p plus q. This will be 27. 27 minus 6 is 21. To the other side is minus 21. And then here we get minus 16p plus q. 4 cubed, 4 squared is 16 times 4, 64. 64 minus 8, 56, other side minus 56. Let's double check that. Minus 21, yep. And then 4 cubed, yep. Minus 56. It's great here because we can just use elimination to solve this straight away, since we already have the q's there. So we get minus 9 minus minus 16, what's that, 7, isn't it? And then minus 21 minus minus 56 is 35. So that means P equals 5, isn't it? Yeah, P equals 5. Then to find the Q, I can just substitute it back in. I get minus 9 times 5 plus Q equals minus 21. So that means Q will equal minus 21 plus 45. So Q is 24. So I found the P and the Q like they asked me to do. So the last part now is to fully factorize. So we know the P and the Q. So we have x cubed minus px squared minus 2x plus q. And what they would like to do, or what they would like here, is the three factors. Now you know how to do this one. You get one factor, you divide it, and then you solve, you factorize the quadratic. But there's a shortcut here, and this shortcut only works, you don't have to use it, but you can. It only works when they give you two of the factors. So the shortcut I'm going to show you only works because they gave me two of the factors. So if you think about it, you're trying to find this factor here, this missing number here. But what you've got to remember is if you multiply these three brackets out, this 24, you get it when you multiply this number with this number with this number. Minus 3 by minus 4 is 12. That means there must have been a 2 here. And that's the only way to make the 24 appear on the left. So that's a shortcut. And it's a shortcut that only works when you are given two of the factors. If you are given one of the factors, you have to divide it in and then make your quadratic and then factorize your quadratic. But when you look at how many marks you get for this, you should feel like there should be a quick way to do it because it's only 2 marks for this part at the end.